Today, we're going to show beginners how to use Coda step by step in 2026. Coda is a powerful all-in-one doc tool that combines documents, spreadsheets, and apps, making it perfect for organizing projects, workflows, and ideas. Step 1. Create a new document. After logging into Coda, click New Doc. Give it a clear name so you can easily find it later. You can start with a blank document or use a template to save time. Step 2. Understand the structure. Coda uses sections and pages to organize content. Sections act like chapters, and pages hold your tables, text, or embedded tools. This structure helps keep your document organized and easy to navigate. Step 3. Add tables and lists. Tables in Coda are dynamic and can behave like databases. You can add columns, formulas, and checkboxes to manage your data efficiently. For example, create a task list with due dates and status columns. Step 4. Use formulas and automation. Coda formulas work like spreadsheet formulas, but can connect to multiple tables. You can also set up automations to send reminders, update statuses, or trigger notifications automatically. Step 5. Embed external tools. Coda allows integration with apps like Google Calendar, Slack, or Jira. Embedding these tools keeps your workflow centralized and saves time. Finally, customize your document with formatting, colors, and views. You can switch between table, board, or calendar views to visualize data the way you want. Regularly review and update your Coda docs to keep them organized and efficient. By following these steps, beginners can confidently start using Coda in 2026, turning their docs into powerful tools for personal or professional projects. Today, we're going to show